If you're here, chances are you've got a business idea or you're already running something, but you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed or unsure on what the next step is. Hi, I'm Neil. I'm the founder of Go True North and the creator of Vision to Venture. I have spent years working with startups, small businesses and larger organisations, helping them strip away the noise to focus on what really matters and turn ideas into something that actually works in the real world. I created Vision to Venture because I kept seeing the same problem. Brilliant people, great ideas, either overthinking, underspending, or following advice that just didn't fit where they were on the journey. Too much theory, too much hype, not enough practical support. Vision to Venture exists for one simple reason: to help you move from thinking about starting to actually building something real without burning cash, confidence or time. It's not about theory, it's about practical advice, step-by-step program that is built around real-world experience, lean thinking, honest conversations about what starting a business actually feels like. You'll work through clarity on your idea, understanding your customer, testing solutions properly and building a momentum alongside a community of people who are on the same journey as you. No hype, no gurus, just support, structure and progress. So, if that sounds like what you need right now, then you're in the right place. Take a look around and when you're ready, come and join us.